All right, we are back working on the 2015 Charger. As you can see, I'm nowhere familiar at another location. My big brother's house, Richard, let me use his garage because all my garage facilities are jammed up. I can't get no more cars in them. So putting on a simple front air dam from American Muscle. Malik, raise the dam up. There you go, so we can see it. It's gonna be a simple one because this one is okay, that's good. Put it down. This is a 2015 Pursuit, so most of those dams don't fit. The real fancy ones, they don't feel like changing the front bumper. And I noticed that I'm getting a lot of vibration at speed, and because I believe the plastic air dam that comes in the car is not there. So of course we jacked it up a little bit, and the car's lowered, so I didn't jack it up a lot. Jack it up a little bit. I wiped down the spoiler already, the splitter. I put the 3M tape on there. Got it from Amazon. You can get it from anywhere. As long as you can get it, it's a 3M tape. Everybody I see put these splitters on. It's pretty sticky stuff. So what I'm going to do now is go underneath the car and have my trusty helper today, which is the littlest guy, Malik, passed me the spoiler, and I can see how we looking. Alright, pass me, Malik. Let me see, so. There we go. Line it up on the other side if you can. Alright, I still gotta drill 2 more holes. Alright. How's it look on your side, I believe?
This side looks good.
How about the very end? Try to lift it up. Nope, the very end.
Yeah, this is new.
Okay. Alright, I see we got a plate with it a little bit. Can you see any of that red tape that I put on from the front?
Yeah.
You can see it?
Yeah, a lot.
Really? Which one?
Let me see it.
Oh, because we didn't slide it in. You gotta slide it in. See, it's gotta fit right in here. It's gotta be like that.
Yeah, I can't see the shape.
Alright, so what we're gonna do is you're gonna pass me that drill, Malik.
Alright.
Let go. Yep. Pass me that drill. And give me that box of. Bring me that whole box of drill bits. Bring me the whole box. Yep. What I'm doing, I'll put 2 more holes in there. Thank you. What I should have did was see if I need it first. This is a simple screw it up and be done. Let's put 2 more holes. Now, what we're gonna do, Malik, pass me that other drill. Help me start taking off the all of this red tape.
Okay.
Off just the top. Leave the piece that's stuck on. I don't know if you need to take your gloves off. You might have to use your nails.
About this.
No, you don't want to take it completely off, just the red cover. It's 2-way tape, so when you do it like this, you want to leave the sticky part on.
Yeah, I think I gotta take off my gloves.
Take off your gloves. You gotta take it all off. Let's try to leave the sticky part back on. You got it all off?
Yeah.
Alright, do me a favor, take this and put it in that red bucket that I was throwing stuff in.
Okay.
And then come back. Put your gloves back on.
You get about that?
That bucket is over there. See where that shelf fit underneath that shelf. Now, grab one end. Put your clothes on first.
Okay.
Remember, that's the other hand. Yup. You know what I didn't do, Molly? After you put your gloves on, pass me the alcohol, and I didn't rub up underneath the car with the alcohol. Give me that, and give me the napkin that you was using.
Okay.
So what you want to do is I put alcohol on the spoiler with the two-way tape. The 3M supposed to be the better ones out there. It really sticks. But you're gonna want to put some alcohol on the car so the two-way tape could stick. So I'm just gonna rub alcohol on the bottom of this car real quick. Alright, let me see. Will this come off? Good thing I gotta edit this. Alright. Try this again. My big feet don't hit the wire to pull the camera down. That's probably. So now I'm just gonna put it. I don't know how it's looking. Hang on, guys. I know you gotta drive me up crazy with this camera stuff. Okay. So now we're gonna put it in place and drill it up. 6 easy screws. And it should be done. Let me just close this. Hang on, let me just slide. There we go. So slide it back. Slide it. No, when I slide it back, it's gotta fit. It's gotta fit in here. Hang on. Wait. Let me help you out. We got one shot with this, and it's gonna work. Let it go.
Okay.
There we go. Now, see how we looking on the side, Malik? On the side. We got room?
The bottom is not on.
It's not?
The bottom is moving down.
Alright.
I think it's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Can you just try to hang on to it?
Okay.
So I get you know what, Malik? Get yourself that little stool right there.
Okay.
So you can be comfortable. See the one with the wheels? Y'all sit on that, 'cause I don't want you to your back to be hurting. And just hold it up like this. See if I can screw one screw at least. You gotta hold it up to the car so it's thick. Now that end, can you pull it up so it's not under the car? Not really. All right, leave it alone. I'll try to fix it on my own. I got 2 more screws, I think. Let me see something. I think it's gonna fit. It's not full set. If I get 1 more screw, you know how to screw it either. I'm gonna have to come up where you are. Get on the other side. Take your chair. Malik, come over on this side for a second.
Okay. With the stool?
Yeah. No, because you're gonna hit the camera. Stand up. I just need you to hold this up.
Upper?
This part, where this hand is.
Okay.
Just hold it up. Go on this side. No, you can't use the stool. I told you couldn't use the stool. But okay, just hold it up like that. Ready?
Yeah.
Let me see, let it go. Alright, we are done that part. Alright, looking good. Now, I'm gonna put these bars in. Find them. I should have asked your uncle for some screws. I'm gonna have to wait for him to come back and do this. These will go here. These little rods keeps the air down from shaking. So when your uncle comes back, I'm gonna ask him for a screw, unless I can figure out where he's got them at. So we may have to wait for your uncle to come back. And it'll go like from here to there. And what that does is, when I'm driving, keeps it from fluttering. But I can't use this screw. Don't they hate your uncle for screws? Alright, so stay tuned. This is gonna be next. Alright, we're back on the front. I'm gonna try to knock this out real quick. I'm gonna install the bars on the air dam. So, what I'm gonna do, put them together first. Sorry, mate. Give me that, and I need the bits to make it a drill. Richard, you see what those are?
Your bits?
Yeah, they should be right there to make it they should be right there. A bit that makes it that makes it a screwdriver. Sorry, a Phillips screwdriver. My bit should be right there. No? You got my little bag and the gloves and my wallet and stuff like that.
That's what's here. Unless you got the cameras in this bag.
It's nothing right there? Move the phone in there right there?
This.
The bit that goes in, yup, that's what I'm looking for. I'll put this, hey, give me that other drill, that one. I'll put these things back together. So what I did with the bars is the silver part. I see a lot of people is complaining that these things rust. So what I did was, I just spray painted them black. I don't know why they didn't do that. And that should slow the rusting down. And I'm gonna give you a trick if you have a pursuit. I just screws up in there. On the pursuit, because this has the pursuit, there's only a few options available for a splitter. So this one doesn't stick out as far as I thought the one I was going to be able to get from American Muscle, but it was out of stock. And I didn't feel like waiting until, and they didn't know, they couldn't tell me when it was going to be back in stock. So that this splitter doesn't stick out as far, I used the bars in the grill to give me a reference point. And I knew that it would be even. And I just used sheet metal screws. Hey Rick, do me a favor. I need to borrow your vice grip, because this thing's spread out too far.
Surprised you ain't got no other lights up in here, man.
I just gotta squeeze this back together. Thanks.
You got enough light?
Yeah, I'm recording right. You can see how it's coming up. Man, it probably don't.
I have another, you got an LED light right here. nice glass shine on it.
The rest of the color's filthy.
But just the, you know, just the job you just put on.
And now I'm just gonna simply install the bars and see where it lands and drill another hole. And that'll be the end of that. So you're not really missing nothing.